Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I made a cute little card. I hope to put a smile on your face today. I used our new stamp set, Spring is in the Air. And I used the cute little duck, this umbrella here, this little flower, the Easter egg, and the sentiment, I'm here, rain or shine. I thought I'd try some NoLine watercoloring for this card. So I'm into the watercoloring now. I'm trying to learn everything. So I have this Altenew half pan set. So what I did was I colored the images after I stamped it out with this Hero Arts shadow ink. It's called Soft Sand, and it is good for watercoloring. So it's waterproof and markers. So it was like a really light tan color. So I did some watercoloring and then I sharpened up the edges with my Prismacolor pencils. And what I did was I took a darker, say for the purple, I took the darker purple and outlined it and then shaded inward with the lighter purple. For the background, I used Distress Inks. I just created a hill out of masking paper, and then I used a cloudy stencil from MFT for the clouds. And then I did a little bit of masking here. I had to draw in the eyes, so I need a little bit more practice with that, but it turned out okay. So this NoLine watercoloring, I love the look. It looks like a storybook. Just so soft and pretty. I'm almost regretting stamping out the sentiment in black, just because it looks out of place. But I will have the process of the coloring attached, so I will put some music on. I hope you guys enjoy that. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care, everyone. See you in the next video.